Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Kia Sportage 2 here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the lane departure warning on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. From here, I'm going to press the home button. Then go to settings. Then vehicle, then driving safety, and then down here lane safety. So this is when you go in and out of your lines on the road and then you don't indicate, it will steer you back into your lane automatically. If you don't want that on, just untick it, and if you do want that on, just have it ticked.